Hello, welcome to this video that tells you what in this CD. With this CD, you can achieve success in mathematics just studying 20 minutes a day in the convenience of your home. You learn step by step through interactive modules, explainer videos, or video tutorials or video lessons, which are about 5 minutes in length and treats each topic in depth. You'll be encouraged to work along with the narrator. Whenever you see the symbol, it means you should take out your pen and paper and work along with the narrator and do the exercises. This CD contains a number of different important pieces of information. First, we did a research on Google to determine the demand for help in mathematics in Guyana, and according to the Google Analytics, it revealed that in the Mahaica-Berbice area, around 100 students went online in search for secondary school mathematics. In Upper Damara Berbice, around 54, Damara Mahaica, 54, Essequibo Islands, 53, and so on. So there's a demand for help in studying at home mathematics in English. So this is based upon Google. You are familiar with Google. Google has extensive research capabilities, and we have exploited that, using that information to guide us in the development of our modules. Now, in this module, in this CD, we have created a number of videos. So when you insert the CD, you can click on any of these videos and learn quite a lot. Each video is about 4 to 5 minutes long. You can pause the video anytime, you can replay it any number of times, and so on. When you see this symbol or this image, this is an image of an application. You can drag it from your CD, drag it onto your laptop or desktop, double click on it, and it will open and install on your application, so you can test drive the application. For example, we've made a number of these available. This is on algebra for CSEC, this is math preview, quiz, and so on. You can open this PDF to see the contents of a grade school English application and much more. Here are another set of the videos. When you click on them, it will play and you learn different things. For example, in this video here, a quick preview of our website. It's important that you watch this video to give you a preview of the contents of our website. And these are modules that cover different topics. For example, on statistics, grade school quiz, video preview of CSEC statistics, and so on. Coordinate geometry. So it covers grade school mathematics in English and secondary school mathematics in English. Here again, you can download this app, and you click on this app. When you drag this app onto your desktop and double click on it, it will install on your laptop or desktop, and you'll have a preview of the National Grade 6 Assessment Examination, and you can do the quiz on your computer, see how it works, and if you like it, you get it, send us an email, and you're well on your way to success. Enjoy.